Hello, everyone.
Hello, everybody. Welcome to Cooking with Granny at Momma Soul Kitchen. Today, you are trying to feed me what?
We're going to eat healthy again, Grandmother.
Oh, Lord have mercy.
Well, no, listen. This has like 140 calories for the bread. Okay, they're thin. They're 100% whole wheat.
Oh, Lord.
But no, listen. We got spinach. We got hummus. We have the cream cheese and chives. We also have Colby Jack cheese. We have tomatoes and also a salad.
Oh, Lord. You really trying to make me eat healthy?
Well, this is about being healthy. We're going to bring in 2022 healthier, Grandmother, right?
Oh, Lord. Oh, all right.
Yeah, because we have all those foods that we're having for the holidays, but sometimes we got to break it up and break it down with some nice healthy stuff. That's why I prepared a nice salad for you, and you actually have a little chicken in there.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's wonderful.
Now, see, I knew that'd make you excited.
Yeah, I need some meat up in here. Them little thin things, I'm going to be starving.
Well, in your mind, it will be, very fulfilling, but in your mind, you're going to definitely be thinking that you're still going to be hungry, but this is really a filling sandwich. This is really all that you need, Grandmother, just right now.
Well, I mean, it's only a brunch lunch thing anyway, so I'm not really worried about that, but I'm going to be hungry after this. I'm going to want to really get down and eat.
Well, let's see how you do. Make sure you drink a nice glass of water, and you're going to be set.
Yeah, that's what you say, but I know that little thing, I'm going to be hungry.
Well, Grandmother, okay, let's just give it a try.
All right. I've been saying that I'm going to work with you. I'm going to listen, and I'm going to try some nice, healthier options, okay?
Well, you like the other bagel sandwich, right?
Well, yeah, that was pretty good. It was actually really good.
Well, it's the same thing, but this was just a little bit thinner, and you have less calories in your breads as well. So let's try this, and let's go ahead and do this, and we're going to have a nice...
Well, what about the salad dressing? Give me some ranch.
Okay, wait. No, we're not going to have ranch. We're going to have maybe some lemon juice and a little bit of olive oil and just a little bit of pepper inside of that.
A lemon juice? Oh, Lord.
But no, really. This is going to be more healthier for you, Grandmother. Just try it.
All right. I'm going to try it. But I'm going to tell you, have my other food ready because I know I'm ready to throw down and get down.
All right, Grandmother. Well, you know what? Let's see how it goes. And you know what? I think you're going to really like this.
Okay. Did you add some garlic salt on there?
No, I didn't add no garlic salt. I did add on some no salt. How about that?
Oh, Lord, you just trying to really make me be so healthy. Oh, okay. Well, the no salt is good. Momma Soul Kitchen, yes, their no salt is really good.
Yes, and I know you're going to like it. Now, let's go on and try it and let me know what you think. All right. Now, what do you think?
You know what? It was good. It was tasty, and it was very soft. The bread was really moist and everything. I have no complaints. Yeah, that's really good.
Did you drink all the water?
Well, yeah. I drank my water.
Well, how you feel?
Well, I feel comfortable.
Well, that's the whole point. Well, if you like more recipes that's going to be coming soon, make sure you guys hit that like, share,
and subscribe button below because we're going to have some good old healthy meals coming for 2022, everybody. I'm telling you, this was so delicious. And you know what? I don't even have to wear my girdle no more.
Oh, that's too much information, Grandma Granny. Nuh-uh.
No. I'm telling you, I'm going to be slim, thin, thick, okay?
All right, you guys. We'll see you later.
Bye.